Gandhi is the voice of the many people. They put him in the front. He misled the generation. He misunderstood Bhagavad Gita. He said, if somebody slaps you on one cheek, show the other one. His way, the ahimsa principle, Sri Krishna many times in battlefield to Arjuna he said, follow ahimsa means on equal term. If that person has no belief in ahimsa and you are following the non-violence, it won't be sustainable. On equal, if they are willing to follow equal terms, let us play the game. They have no regard for you, and you have, out of whole of humility you approach, people will walk over you and exploit you. That is what it is happening, and what happened in Kashmir also. Kashmir, they say, we are, even Pakistani general said, we are different. We are different. That is why we are different to Hindus. That's why we got our country. This country, we will play the game by our rules. Our blood is different. Thoughts are different. If that, in that mentality, how can you follow the ahimsa? You have to be in the same way. And we have been groomed in our education system. Everything was polluted. We were studied, conditioned that way. And in 1980s, off you go. The advent of capitalism, IT job, we are getting highly paid. We don't care what happens. Money matters. We have no faith in anything. As long as I get money, who cares? Our generations are going that way. Ask our next generation, talk about what is the value. No value. Value, purpose of life is how to make money. This concept we have to change. Otherwise, this is not sustainable. This money has come as a distraction to support. It has pushed us away from what we are standing for. Unless we are strong, connected within, revere our heritage, revere our ancestors, revere our rishis, our ancient civilization, India that's had abundance, but they never forego their culture, tradition. Now, our children, yesterday somebody was saying that children they don't talk to me also. They have come, they hardly talk, they are their own world. Even if I say something, they are not listening. The next generation totally disconnected, no understanding of our culture, no understanding of our background, heritage, what humanity stands for. We don't know. Whole day is in the iPhone, watching that Instagram, that one, only communicating on WhatsApp. I lost the communication ability. They will come and ask you what you stand for. Our next generation, I don't know, I don't care. So, it's a perfect ground. It's a wiping of your tradition, wiping where you stand for. Wherever, whatever religion you are from, you should appreciate that one. Your father, grandfather, great-grandfather, you are, because of your generation, you have to cherish. We want to have our own center to inspire people. Be proud of where you stand. Not to get lost in the tide of time, become nobody. Down the line, so then you will be accusing your parents, grandparents for not giving the values. We want to, yes, it is a bold step. Yes, I have to hold the begging bowl. Some teachers, they say money, they are asking money. Yes, I don't mind getting abused, but I'm so passionate for next generation. Yes, somebody has to take the bold step. I'm taking the blame also. Yes, people say, yes, is asking, we are all adults, we know what we want to do. Yes, you are all adults, but still I want to hold the begging bowl for the sake of generations. Let us make a difference. Let us make a difference. Everyone has a shelf life. When we leave, we have to leave a footprint. What type of footprint you are leaving for next generation? Will they revere your footprint, or they sweep it with a broom? We have to leave a footprint such a way that generations to come, they should be grateful to us. We all have obligation to give this world in a better shape to the next generation, not to live in a worse of state. Let us take responsibility. Any abuse, it is okay. Criticism is okay. I don't want to give, it is okay. If you don't want to give, move on. But I will be here holding the begging bowl for the sake of next generation. For that, fundraiser event is on the 10th of May is there to bring the awareness. Let us make a change. Let us bring out the change. Let us see the world we want to see. Let us not end up only as a WhatsApp warrior. That is not right, that is not right. So what is your contribution? You are only commenting. Can you make any change? Yes, and join hands. Let us leave the footprint, and before this shelf life, this Pura falls, let us leave this world in a better shape. That